This bird looks like it walked out of prehistory. It stands over 4 feet tall. Silent. Motionless. This is the shoebill. It lives in the remote swamps of East Africa. Deep inside wetlands of Uganda, South Sudan, and Zambia. Places where few humans ever walk. It can stand completely still for hours, waiting. Then suddenly, it strikes. Its massive beak can crush fish, snakes, even baby crocodiles. But despite its power, the shoebill is rare. Wetlands are disappearing. And with them, this prehistoric hunter. Some locals call it a spirit of the swamp. A bird that watches and waits. If you were alone in a silent marsh and saw this staring back at you, would you walk closer? Please subscribe.